Going on the field of animals to venture so high in the air, nest in our land masses, and find such great billows of water. Images of birds and flies soaring through the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flying
So guys, ito yung bird show nila.
ladies and gentlemen, princess and our black racing bird, Jacko! Jacko is our little cockatoo. So you have to get famous, cockatoo and seas. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. There you go, the show has officially started. A round of applause for Jacko with Greater Vina. Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park's All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Francis. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these silver cups. Where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or here in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Alright, so let's put it right here. Now let's go in our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our so-requested cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatuwa Galanita. Common habitats are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? Well, if yes, say you can do it, Dazzle! Go, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us! And we found it! We have a bus for Dazzle with favorite Gene! Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of win-win lacrosse, and today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. First the girls. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear your cheer. Sassy! 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 Very good. And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear your cheer. Rocky! 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 Very well. So, birds ready, triggers ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky's first ball. First ball for Sassy and Rocky. And another score for Rocky. And it's a tie at the last ball. Rocky wins! Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, they want another race, Trainer Vince?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a rematch.
And what is the race?
The first bird who can drop 3 leaves into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that's the race.
So, a ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again and this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes the Raptors first leg. First ball, what's happening? Sassy did the ring race at the same time. And the Raptors die! And the winner is Sassy! Trainer Rocky with Trainer Marshall and Trainer Vince. Palots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. So, here is Sassy, our greenweight Lapop, and today she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the sheets back into the correct slots. Just like Sassy, greenweight couples are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the Palot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the Hyacinth Lapos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachlorothera. And for the last shade, go Sassy. There you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Rochelle. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Because this next part of our program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? Well, before we call in our mathematical wizard, I need two numbers between 150. Any numbers between 150? Alright, so the first number is number 9. How about the second number? Alright, so the second number is number 10. So the equation is 9 plus 10. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Duke will shuffle the numbers. Now, let's go in our ice cream before Rocky. Wow, Rocky, what a beautiful entrance. Trainer Duke, is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky, solve the equations for us. And he gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, I think Rocky is calculating. And he gets the number 9. So 9 plus 10 is equals to 19. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Duke. This time, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone? Oh! May I call to Miss Eli ko? Miss Eli ko, please join me here in front. You will notice that the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musical in kind. They have a very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. A round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Ally. Now ma'am, may I have your 500 peso bill? Now ma'am, please join here in front. Ma'am, all you have to do is stand here in front. Over here, facing this way, and extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Let's see, now let's call in our money bird, Buddy. Buddy flies over. Oh, he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy just donated the money! A round of applause for our donor!
Wow, 1,000 pa naman yun.
I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds?
Yes.
Well, your money will go a long, long way, and we are very, very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Bye. Anyone else? How about 1,000 peso bill again? Come on, guys. No more. Miss Ella, excuse me. Are you okay? Are you sure? Why do you look so sad? No, we're just kidding. It's all part of our show. Please come back here in front and we'll give your money back. Ma'am, Buddy is saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Wonderful. Now stay here in front. Look at the camera and offer your cheese. So easy. Oh, lovely. How about in your hand? Just open your palm and look at the camera. Smile. And there is your money. A round of applause for our volunteers, Buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey. Please look to your left. Presenting our prominent knight, here comes Shadow. Brought by some also as alias tornadoes. One of 446 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. They are locally known as lawi or banmog in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chicken! So cute! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons! Homing pigeons has a unique homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and prey. A round of applause for our raptor, our chicken, and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here comes our birds once again, and they will show us the proper waste disposal. Come on, buddies. Let's go, buddies. Easy, right? So if the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now, let me present to you the birds and the triggers who made this show possible. Trigger David with Shadow. Trigger Ferdy with Buddy. Trigger Mikey with Rocky. Trigger Regine, woohoo, with Sassy. Trigger Duke and Trigger V matching dance. Trainer Sean and Trainer JP with the homemade bread jam.